Happy morning, Miss Horizon. Kumusta na po?
So there are 8 winners for the outstanding scientific paper and 1 special citation. The outstanding scientific papers are given to outstanding papers in Philippine journals. So I will read the authors, title of the publication, and the outstanding scientific paper award goes to Olivia P. Damasco, P.M. Donato, published in 2019, entitled The Likelihood of Colorectal Cancer Increasing, published in the Philippine Journal of Science in 2023, Kaya Alba, Nick Taal, 2028, volume 152.
Pasok, boy!
Sorry naman. About optical character recognition system published in the Philippine Journal of Science in 2022.
Play natin yan.
Analyzing integral political values published in the Philippine Journal of Science in 2022.
Ay, wala may title. Boy, no.
Pesto!
The Board of Judges of this award, I'm afraid, the National Scientist Services Admission, a new approach for training in physics-based dehasing network using scientific and technological research entitled Colloidal Heat Engine Driven by Engineered Active. Second part, in recognition of his outstanding scientific and technological research results entitled Research Grant of $5,000.
This award was launched in 2000.
Academician Agnes Rolla. The Special Citation Award goes to Rubihilda Alili, PhD, Medical University, unleashing the potential of our significant research contribution, entitled Environmentally Extended Input, Output, and Significant Impact, Iligan Institute of Technology. In recognition of his based on color, shape,
Agriculture and social sciences. Since 1980, the Academy has been tasked
10 outstanding young scientists and the plaque
will read Republic of the Philippines, Department of Science and Technology, National Academy of Science and Technology presents this 2024 Outstanding Young Scientist Award to our first Outstanding Young Scientist is Emmanuel P. Hernandez, Doctor of Veterinary Medicine, University of the Philippines, Los Baños, Philippines. Signed, Jaime C. Montoya, President, and Jose Maria Pibas. Compounds as functional food mechanisms of action that led to the development first phylogenetic and evolutionary study for the Philippine labyrinthulids and saprotrophic oomycetes, which became a basis for the proposal of national statistical analysis of DNA evidence for developing an integrated system for DNA text respecting indigenous sovereignty and ownership to scientific research. This framework optimizes process variables with ultrasonicator fuel usage through oxidation and eco-friendly cement synthesis, supporting specifically water and wastewater treatment, seawater desalination, and membrane technology. For his work on forward osmosis as an alternative, particularly for leading interdisciplinary research on deciphering the chemical cues used by the cacao myrid bug, paving the foundation for developing environment of numerical analysis and scientific computing with applications in diverse areas, medical image reconstruction and electrical impedance tomography, tsunami mitigation strategies using shallow water. PhD in Sociology, De La Salle University, Manila. In recognition of his scientific work in the field of health and social sciences that focus on the well-being of Filipino youth and emerging adults. He has utilized various social, mental health, and other related health behaviors.
Perspectives and methods to explore the socio-cultural factors influencing mental health and related.
In recognition of his innovative contributions to measuring sustainability and welfare through the development of techniques, approaches, and methods for the research and publication in various higher educational institutions. All 10 outstanding young scientists.
Industrial engineering, he focused on productivity and quality in programs for MSMEs at the UP Institute for Small Scale 2024 in Manila, Philippines.
I am Fortunato de la Peña. As an initiator of any recently, I have worked with the sector.
Photo?
Ang National Academy of Science and Technology ng Department of Science and Technology ay nangangako upang matupad ang mga mandato patungo sa isang maunlad na Pilipinas na nakasandig sa siyensya at teknolohiya. Kasihan nawa ako ng Diyos.
Junior, fellow members of the NAST, insight, parties, and thought-provoking discussions on the theme Beyond Farm Productivity, Transforming the Philippine Food System to Address Equity, Consumer Health, and environmental issues. The past 2 days, we have dealt understood the urgent need to rethink and reshape our food systems to ensure they are sustainable, inclusive, and resilient. We began with the recognition that traditional metrics of farm productivity, while important, are insufficient to address the broader goals of food security and sustainable development. Our focus has shifted towards a holistic approach that integrates the health of our people, the equity of our food distribution systems, and the sustainability of our natural resources. The presentations and discussions have highlighted several key points, ensuring that all Filipinos, regardless of socio-economic status, addressing disparities in food access, and supporting essential nutrients. We have discussed strategies to combat malnutrition and diet-related diseases through education to adapt agricultural practices that translate the natural discussions into action. Collaboration across sectors, government, academia, industry, and civil society will be key to driving the changes we envision. Policy frameworks must be developed and implemented with the input and support of all stakeholders. Research and innovation must be prioritized to develop and scale solutions that are context-specific and impactful. I am particularly inspired with the innovative ideas and commitments shared by our various scientists and researchers. Your passion and dedication are vital to the future of our food system, and I encourage you to continue your excellent work and to seek out opportunities for collaboration and knowledge exchange. We congratulate our new members of the Academy, outstanding young scientists, and other standing awardees of this year, 2024. We would like to extend our deepest gratitude to everyone who has been contributed to the success of this annual scientific meeting. Our speakers, partners, and sponsors, thank you for sharing your expertise and insights. And to all the many individuals headed by our director of NAST, Lingling Samarica, who has worked tirelessly with their staff to make this ASM another huge success. Engagement and contributions. Together, let us build a food system that nourishes our people, protects our planet, and promotes equity. Let us take the insights gained from this meeting and work tirelessly towards a brighter, healthier, and more sustainable future for the Philippines. Again, our heartfelt thanks. We look forward to seeing you all.
Ulit. Thank you. Happy morning. Gusto ko lang po alamin kung ano pong masasabi natin dito sa ASM at paano nyo ito mailink doon sa inyong director, yung di ba po nakatutok tayo ngayon sa kalusugan, sa tamang pagkain. Sang-ayon po ba kayo rito? At ano po ang maipapayo niyo sa ating mga LGUs, government o mamamayang Pilipino? Blaster sir, personal. Kayo rin po ba ay health conscious?
Sa mental health po, kasi marami po mga doctors, marami po mga professionals, pero may problema sa mental health, di ba po? And hindi rin sila naging productive. O may nakukulungan na doctor, ay may nakukulong na lawyer, di ba po? Dahil may mga behavior na hindi po kayang pigilan. So, ano po yung ating pag-aaral dyan?
Alright, so naging matagumpay ang annual scientific meeting ng nasa Philippines dito sa Manila Hotel. At talaga makita natin na nakaka-inspire po talaga yung ating mga research and development yung ating mga bagong academician ay talagang nagpakita po sila ng gilas kung gaano po talaga kahalaga itong ating mga scientists dito sa ating bansa. Kaya sana ay suportahan po natin at pakinggan po natin yung kanilang mga payo para po sa pag-unlad ng ating ekonomiya dito sa ating bansa. At yung mga problema ay nakita natin na may mga solusyon na ginagawa itong ating mga scientists dito sa ating bansa. So lahat ng bitak ng ating buhay ay mabibigyan ng solusyon. Kaya sana po ay tuloy-tuloy tayo sa pag-suporta sa ating science and technology. Nagtatapos ang ating dito sa Manila Hotel para sa scientific meeting. Ang Unicode, Miss Horizon Chase. I love you all! So, nandun sa ating programang Happy Morning Show at tuloy-tuloy naman po tayo. Kaya huwag kalimutan mag-follow at mag-subscribe po sa lahat ng ating social media accounts.
Magandang umaga sa iyo, Miss Horizon, at sa iyong mga taga-subaybay at sa ating mga kasama.
Morning, Miss Horizon. So, ako po ay gumagawa ng research patungkol sa ating ekonomiya, patungkol sa kahirapan sa ating bansa, at patungkol sa turismo ng ating
Happy morning, Miss Horizon. Maraming salamat po. So, ako po si Manuel Hernandez. So, ang research ko po ay about sa mga garapata po. Pinag-aaralan po natin kung paano sila nabubuhay despite na kumakain sila ng mga toxic substance, katulad ng mga iron na nasa dugo, at kung paano sila nabubuhay kahit tinitreat sila natin ng mga chemical.
Kompleto. At para mabuhay tayo ng marangal, magkaroon ng dignidad, ang gaganda na sinabi niyo. So ngayon, para magkatotoo lahat yan, kasi sayang. Alright, so ito po yung ating nalakap na balita hinggil sa sensya at teknolohiya ng Unicode, Miss Horizon Chaser. Happy morning! I love you all! Alright, happy morning! Muli ang Unicode, Miss
Si Dr. Renata na walang iba ka.
Happy morning to all!
Happy morning, Miss Horizon. Please visit the Cheongdam restaurant. Thank you for coming.
Happy morning! So, narin ako sa
kung sakali na implement po ito, sino-sino po talaga ang dapat maging partner?
Ito yung maaasahan natin sa taong 2023 pa para sa pagsulong ng mga
First time ko to. Makikita natin talagang kayang may kinalaman ba ito? Dito? Alright. So, di ba high-tech ng ating mga tricycle? Ako ito lang. Ay, pati ba ito?
Ano pa po yung dapat nila na maaasahan sa PILAS, and kayo po ang president ngayon.
Happy morning!
Ano po yung kaibahan nito sa market?
Natikman ko po siya.
Alright, happy morning! So narito na po tayo ngayon sa Los Baños, Laguna, dito po sa Siarca. Bisita doon sa farm sa Banana. Napakaraming saging at napakadaling itanim at mabilis para sa mga gusto po na magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng negosyo na sa
Happy Morning Show! Lagi kayong makinig.
Nandun tayo lahat sa Happy Morning Show.
Happy morning po sa inyo.
Happy morning, Miss Horizon.
Stay healthy! Eat sushi sa MK Sushi Bar! Sa MK Sushi Bar!
Happy morning muli sa'yo, Ken. Kumusta?
Happy morning, Miss Horizon.
Sabi nila, masama daw magkape. Pero bakit marami pa rin ang nagkakape ng healthy blend? Herbal coffee sa Health and Sight Wellness. Ito yung kanilang bagong opisina dito sa Triumph, Quezon City. Kaya tara, subukan natin ang Health and Sight Wellness 15-in-1 Herbal Coffee kung gaano ito kasarap.
Nagkakape ka na, nagbabitamins ka pa.
Tikman natin gaano ito kasarap. Libre lang dito sa Health and Sight kapag po dumalaw kayo. Diba?
Yeah.
Uy, tingnan niyo po mga kababayan ko. Ang bango sobrang bango. Diba? Kapag medyo stress ka, wala talaga yung stress mo kung ganito kabango yung kape. Yung mahilig sa brewed coffee, parang ganun din yun.
Sarap po talaga kahit alam ko natikman ko na to, ulitin mo, hahanap-hanapin niyo po. Totoo, talaga ito yung kape na gustong-gusto ko. Kaya sana matikman niyo rin po at tsak magugustuhan niyo. Happy morning! So, lumipat na po kasi ang Health and Sight Wellness. Dati po doon sila sa Mother Ignacia dahil syempre, dahil napakasarap ng kape at mahuhusay ang mga produkto, natural lamang na umuunlad po ang isang company. Ayan, so dito na tayo, napakagandang kumpanya ngayon ng Health and Sight Wellness. Kaya sa mga gusto pong pumunta rito ay alamin niyo lamang sa kanilang website.